Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be talking about algebra, more specifically on how to do equations with variable exponents. Please like and subscribe. Exponent tells you how many times its base is used as a factor. When 10 is raised to a whole number exponent, its value has a leftmost digit of 1, and all other digits are 0. So the exponent tells you how many zeros come after the 1. For example, if the exponent was 1, then the power of 10, so 10 to the power of 1 equals to 10. The value would go to 10. And the number of zeros, as you can see, is 1. If the exponent was 2, the power of 10 will be 10 to the power of 2 equals to 10 times 10, where the value will become 100. And the number of zeros would be 2. I think you get the pattern, so I'll just do a few more examples. If the exponent was 3, then the power of 10 would be 10 to the power of 3 equals to 10 times 10 times 10, which equals to 1,000. And the number of zeros would be, if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 3. Now we've done a few examples and know how to solve the problems. Let's do an example. So we're going to be finding out u. So 10 to the power of u equals to 100,000. How are we going to find that? Well, we're going to look at the right side of the equation and count the number of zeros after 1. So right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be writing u equals to 5. So the answer is going to be 10 to the power of 5 equals to 100,000. And if we want to check that, we can times. If you want to check that, you can put 5 zeros in front of the 1, and you should get the same answer as we got here. Okay, let's do a different question. This one might look a bit complicated, but as long as you do all the steps that we did before, we will get this correct. I'll give you some time for you to answer the question and unpause the video once you're done. So once you're done, let's do this together. So we're going to be solving for r. 6r equals to 216. The base is 6 and the exponent is r. So let's figure out the power of the exponent. If the power exponent was 6 to the power of 1, then the multiplication would be 6, and the value would be 6. If the power exponent was 6 to the power of 2, the multiplication would be 6 times 6, and the value would be 36. Okay, let's go down. If the power of the exponent was 6 to the power of 3, then the multiplication would be 6 times 6 times 6. So we have to times it 3 times because their power exponent is 3. So how many no matter the number of the exponent, you have to times it the same for the multiplication. So the value would be 216. And as you can see, 216 is the answer. So the answer would be 6 to the power of 3, because that's the exponent, would equal to 216. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. Bye bye, see you in the next video.